Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into Rollercoin and I have some major concerns with something they've done. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we're here in Rollercoin, and like I said in the intro, and I only actually discovered this yesterday, so I'm not sure when it was posted or when it was added to the platform, but to be honest with you, it seems so crazy that it's just, I just think it's it could be a massive red flag. But before we get into that, let's quickly run through the numbers. So it's been about a week or so since the last time we did a video. I think in the last video we were at our hashing power, which is right here. We were at 297 petahash. As you can see, we're now at really close to that 300 petahash mark. If we drop into here, you can see, where are we? This miner right here, I actually picked up in the Patriot, in this what used to be, well, I remember, it's just like the advent calendar competition, but it was this one here, the 270,000 gigahash 1% money maker miner. I picked that up for basic exchanging 3 RLT, so obviously that's added a few petahash to my account. But also something nice that because obviously with that competition, one of the ways that you can move up and earn more rewards is simply by playing the games. And I don't know again when this got added, but I started playing some games today, and then this popped up and it says you win, and it's 6.552 terahashes, but then you also get the usual 300 gigahashes or whatever it is from your usual gameplay as well. So right now you can earn some major power by playing those games. You know, I mean, I played like at the moment about 17 or something like that of games, and every time I've played, I've picked up either, you know, 6 or 6+. Sometimes it's like 1.2 terahash, sometimes it'll be like 3.5 terahash. But this is obviously every time you play, or every time I've played so far, I've got one of these extra sort of boost powers, or power boost should I say, with my gameplay. And then also, like I say, you're getting the regular sort of gigahash that you would get from your normal gameplay as well. So like I say, if you are not playing the games right now and you want to give your account a bit of a boost, go and play some games and you're going to pick up that extra power right there. Okay, so I don't want to keep you guys long, but like I say, this is just a real concern of mine, because as it said in the thumbnail, I'm not quite sure if Rollercoin are literally on a fundraiser, that they are running out of cash, which could spell the end of the program, or it could be a rug pull. I don't know. But either way, I just think it's massively crazy. Or, I mean, it could be that they've just done this, which still would blow my mind because it seems so insane. But anyway, let's get into it. If we go into the Imperial sale, not sure how many of you have checked this out, but look, you've got 3 miners here. The lowest miner, which is 19 million ETH, or derivatives of ETH, there's 35 of them, and that is worth 45 petahash with a 3% bonus. I actually did think it was 45,000, but, you know, and that really freaked me out. But even so, just, you know, 45 petahash. This one is worth, with a 15% miner, 780 petahash. But look at the prices. This one's worth 448 petahash with an 8% boost But again, look at the price. 2eth, I mean, basically 1eth right now, I think this morning I checked it, it was worth $3,668. So that is basically $4,000, yeah, for one petahash. So they're saying that this miner, which there's 12 of them, is going to cost you $8,000. I mean, that is just absolutely insane. And with 12 of them, that means that actually works out roughly to about $88,000 just for that one miner. 12 of them, one miner, 88. That, but also as well, you've got to think that amount of power being dumped onto the network, that, you know, instantly, if they get sold. Thankfully, nobody has bought these high ones. Some of these low ones have gone. But thankfully, no, because the impact on the overall power would be absolutely mental. And how, I was only talking about this the other day, how Rollercoin for ages have been saying that they, you know, they've been doing things to try and cut down the overall power, network power, and then they go and do this. This one here, with, I mean, obviously there is only 3, but that is essentially 4F per miner. 4F per miner. And at $4,000, that's basically $16,000 they're charging for one miner. Yes, it's 780 petahash with a 15% bonus. That is just mental in itself. But then to be charging 16 grand for one, that is just, it's just, for me, it's just like I say, it's a massive red flag. And all I would say is, for anybody that is involved with Rollercoin, looking to get involved with Rollercoin, I would not invest any money into this program right now. I really wouldn't, purely because of this. Because like I say, whether it be in a cash fundraiser, if they're trying to raise funds, or it is possible like the last stance of a platform that is just going to suddenly disappear, just be, I'm just saying, be aware. Do not put any money into this right now. Just see what happens. Because, like I say, I am majorly concerned with this, because for many for more than one reason. One, the amount of money they're charging. 2, the amount of power that is just going to get dumped onto the overall network if all of these get sold. I mean, there's like 4 days, 2 hours and 35 minutes left. You could, I'm not saying you will, and I'm hoping you don't, but let's say all of these get sold. I just think it's just going to be crazy. So if all of these get sold, that is a total of $156,000. I just think it's going to be crazy. And, like I say, it's just going to skyrocket the overall network power. I mean, some people might think, oh, I've got a spare 16 grand lying around, I'll just throw it in there, but yeah, it's just mad. Just absolutely mad, guys. And I'm just, like I say, Rollercoin is with, what was it, the 6th year? Is it 6 years that they've just had their birthday? It's been great, and I really hope it does continue. But at the same time, I feel that this, like I said, it's a warning. It of way things that could go. And yeah, I just see it as, like I say, I just think you guys need to be really wary of investing any more money into this platform, and just let's see what happens. But that's my concerns. I would really love to hear your opinions on this. If you could post something below. I don't care whether you agree with me. You might have more information than me. I've been into their Discord. I could not see anything really other than them announcing this. I couldn't see anything else about this. So like I say, if you know more than me, post below the video. If you've got an opinion on it, whether you agree with me or not, post below the video. You know, because I just think it is absolutely insane what they have done. And like I say, it really, for me, it's a major concern, and I would love to hear your views. So I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you can smash that like button, please. It really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.